There was a time when buying a washing machine meant you were done thinking about washing machines. One purchase, 20 years, maybe longer. Today, if you get 10 years, you're considered lucky. 5 to 8 is the new normal. And that great deal you found for $600, it might be one broken part away from a $700 repair quote. No one tells you that part. Repair technicians have been warning people for years, but manufacturers don't profit from machines that last 30 years. They profit from replacements. So what changed inside your washer? Let's open it up. Number 1, the drum design trap. Older machines had something called replaceable bearings. When they wore out, you swapped them for about $50 and kept going. Modern machines? Most use sealed drum assemblies. The bearings are molded into the tub. When they fail, and they eventually will, you can't replace just the bearing. You replace the entire drum. That repair? $400 to $900. At that point, most people buy a new washer, exactly as intended. Number 2, hidden downgrades. You see stainless steel inside the drum and think, solid. But the outer tub, the part you never see, is often plastic now. Cheaper, lighter, more prone to cracking. Cost-cutting where you can't see it. Number 3, the parts disappearing act. Here's the part nobody talks about. Some brands stop producing replacement parts just 3 to 5 years after release. So even if you want to repair it, you can't. A long-term European study found washing machine lifespans dropped nearly 45% over the past few decades, from around 19 years to barely over 10. That's not an accident. That's design evolution. In 2016, Samsung recalled millions of top-load washers after reports of machines violently breaking apart mid-cycle. Beyond recalls, many repair professionals report hard-to-source parts, expensive repairs, shops refusing service. Once the warranty ends, you're often on your own. Brands like Whirlpool and Maytag used to dominate the durability conversation. The reputation stuck. The internal design changed. Service data today shows they're no longer the untouchable standard they once were. Lower cost lines such as Hotpoint and Amana attract buyers with price. But early service calls, sensor failures, and weak performance are common complaints. A cheap washer that needs repairs in year 1 isn't cheap. It's prepaid frustration. Drop this in your comments section. How long did your last washer last? Most answers fall between 5 and 8 years. That's the new cycle. What's actually worth buying? Number 3, LG. LG uses a direct drive motor that connects straight to the drum. Fewer moving parts, less vibration, less wear. They back it with long motor warranties and consistently low service rates. Not perfect, but strong engineering in key areas. Number 2, Miele. Miele tests machines for the equivalent of decades of use. They keep parts available for many years after release. The downside? Price. You're paying upfront, often $1,600 or more, but owners tend to keep them for a very long time. Number 1, Speed Queen. Speed Queen builds residential machines on commercial platforms, the same style used in laundromats. Heavy-duty construction, long cycle testing, strong warranties. More expensive at purchase, less expensive over 20+ years. The one rule to remember: check the warranty. Short warranty? The brand doesn't expect it to last. Check the drum. Sealed drum design? Built-in expiration date. What smart buyers do? They stop shopping by price alone. They look for commercial-grade construction, replaceable components, long parts availability, real warranties. Spending $1,200 once is often cheaper than spending $600 3 times. Modern washers aren't failing by coincidence. They're engineered around replacement cycles. If you want out of that loop, buy from brands that prioritize durability over feature lists. Because the replacement machine, it's built the same way as the one that just died. Subscribe because next episode, refrigerators. And yes, sealed compressors are the next trap. Stay sharp.